Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to copy your invite link on Instagram with the latest update. Whether you want to invite friends to join Instagram or share your profile quickly, having your invite link handy makes it super simple. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look down at the bottom right corner and tap your profile icon. This will take you straight to your personal profile page. Now, at the top right corner of your profile, you'll see a small menu icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Tap on that to open up more options. Once the menu slides out, scroll down until you find the option labeled Follow and Invite Friends. Tap on that, and you'll be taken to a new screen with different ways to connect with others on Instagram. Here's the key step. Look for the button that says Copy Invite Link. When you tap this, Instagram will copy a special link to your clipboard. This link is your personal invite link that you can now paste anywhere you want, in a message, an email, or even on other social media platforms. That's it. You've successfully copied your Instagram invite link. Sharing this link is a great way to help friends join Instagram, or to promote your profile easily, without having to search for your username every time. Remember, this method works with the latest Instagram update, so if you don't see these exact options, make sure your app is updated to the newest version. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to copy your invite link on Instagram quickly and effortlessly. Go ahead and share your link with friends and grow your Instagram community today.